Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can limit unwanted interactions on Instagram, such as unwanted message or comments. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application, and the first thing we have to do is clicking on this profile button. Then you are going to click on this button on the top right corner of your screen, and then there will be some options for you, and you just have to click on settings and privacy and scroll down until you find a limited interaction setting. Alright, and this is the limited interaction setting. Tap on it, then just click on continue right here. Okay, and you can set who to limit and how long to limit. For example, for who to limit, you can choose accounts that aren't following you or recent followers, or you can also select both of them. And for how long to limit, you can select for maybe a week, 2 week, or maybe just for a day. It's up to you. And just click on set reminder right here after you choose how long you the limit, and after that you just need to click on turn on. Okay, and alright guys, that's how we can limit unwanted interactions on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.